Hey everyone, it's Olivia with Bioz. Here are just a few ways that AI is supporting life science companies in the way they display their product citations in Bioz badges. There are over 330 million research products cited all throughout scientific literature, and manually keeping track of yours is not the best use of your time. This is where Bioz steps in. Bioz uses natural language processing to sort through massive amounts of data quickly and efficiently, much faster than any human could. Based on the custom algorithm we create for your company, our AI can predict outcomes based on previous ways that your products have been cited, ensuring over 97% accuracy. The best part is this is a completely and continuously automated process. When new citations are found, they are uploaded to your badge daily. We would love to partner with your company and collaborate on the best way to support your digital marketing efforts. Feel free to reach out today.